Welcome to second part of the complete Python tutorial. So in the first part I already discussed about the what is the introduction of the course. So what I will discuss in the entire course. So just I given the overview. The second video part of this series I will discuss about the how to install the Python. So basically to install the Python in the on PC or the laptop, so you need to be install the Jupyter. So basically this training program I will discuss the how you can work on the Jupyter notebook. So to install the Python, no need to install separately. So this is the free version available. So just you can go in the browser and just type the google.co.in, and in google.co.in download the Anaconda for the window. So just you can type the download Anaconda for the window. So once you type the download Anaconda for the window, the first option we have the Anaconda distribution. So once you click on the first link of the Anaconda distribution, so this Anaconda is a very powerful tool, so where you can find the each and everything under the Anaconda. So just you can download the Anaconda distribution. So this is the available for the Python for the window. If you have the any Mac, so you can download for the additional others window operating system. So I'm discussing here for this is the window application. So just you can click on the download option. So once you download is completed, you can just try to install this Anaconda on the PC. So I'm cancelling here because I already installed. So after the successfully installation is completed, so just you can go into the start button and you can see one folder is created, that is the Anaconda 364-bit. So I install because my operating system is 64-bit. So this is the basically you can find the Anaconda Jupyter notebook. Okay, we also have this spider here. So once you click on the Jupyter notebook, whatever the default browser, it will be open. So this will be open in the browser. So this not required any internet connectivity to work. Okay, so this is the Jupyter notebook is the IDE. Okay, so for the Python we have different type of the IDEs available for the practice. So you can see Jupyter is started. So this is my Jupyter board notebook is already opened here. So now you can see this local host, and we can see 8889 will be display. So basically this will be display by default. They will show you some type of the folder. Okay, so let me show you which folder is showing under this default local host. So once you click on this, basically if you go to the any type of the operating system where available. So under the we have the drive C, we have the operating system. So under the user, so just click on the user. So whatever the user is connected, and under this folder, whatever the folder name is available, that will be show into this. Okay, so like let me show you, like for example you can see Pandey Guruji is there. So Pandey Guruji have this 4 file is available. So if you go to this Pandey Guruji here, so you can see also this folder is already available, Pandey Guruji. So you can see this 4 Python file is available. So suppose if you create any type of the folder here, like let me create one folder like the test I am creating. Okay, so now you can see the test contain the folder test. So you can click, give some different name. Okay, so because the test is already there, so let me put the test 1 2 3 4 1 3 something is there. So once you click on test 1 3, and if you go here and if you click on the folder, so now you can see test 1 3 is available. You can I will show you how you can work in the complete the Jupyter notebook in the next video, like what the functionality is available, what is the exactly Jupyter notebook is there, why we use the Jupyter notebook for the Python, and also how we can write the code. So each and everything I will discuss in the next video. So this is the basically for the installation part of the Python. So you can also see if you click on the new option here, you already have the Python and R. Both are already installed if you install the Anaconda through the Anaconda distribution here. Okay, so this is a very powerful IDE, Jupyter notebook, where we work for the data analytics part, so and data science part. Okay, so data analyst and data scientist, 90% developer, they using the Jupyter notebook in the real-time environment. Okay, so that is the reason we'll provide you the training on this IDE only. So if you have any question, if you have any face challenging to installation of the Anaconda, you can post into the my video note or the video description. Okay, so what challenging you facing, and if you have any question, you can put the question video description as well. So thank you so much for watching. We'll meet again in next video. Thank you.